Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just shortly want to show you how to install Starnet++ version 2 in Pixinsight. As a beginner, you may ask, what is it good for? What can I do with Starnet++? It's a tool, it's a free tool to remove stars from your image so that you can separately process your image without stars, and then after you finish this, putting them back into your image. There's also another tool which is called exterminator, but here you have to pay amount of money. Depending on your image and so on, you can get different results. Sometimes Starnet leads to better results, sometimes exterminator is a better program to use. It depends on your image. If you open Pixinsight, you will see that there is already a Starnet program inserted in the program in Pixinsight, but this is version 1. Here I will show you how to install Starnet++ version 2 in Pixinsight. First, you have to download Starnet++ version 2 from this website, and you will find the link in the video description. After you unpack the zip file, you just copy all the files into a folder which is called bin, and this you will find in the main Pixinsight folder. After you restarted Pixinsight, you go to Process, Modules, Install Modules, and just press Search. You will get an information, and then just press Install. Here you will also get a note from Pixinsight that one module was successfully installed. As an example, I reprocessed old data. Here's a Dumble Nebula M27, and here I will show you how to remove the stars from this image. So just go to Process, All Processes, and then select not Starnet but Starnet 2. Then you will find several options. For example, you can create a star mask, or you can do the star removal from linear, that means non-stretched data. This is already stretched, so I just apply it to this image. And yeah, depending on the size of your image and so on, and also capabilities of your computing power, let's say, this will take some minutes or seconds. In this case, it was quite slow, so it took several minutes because the image was quite high in resolution. And here you can see the final image without stars. As I said before, this is already a processed image. Most probably it will not look as good as this one. You will find several remainings from the stars. And to remove this, you just go to All Process and then Clone Stamp. And using Clone Stamp and Pixinsight, you can remove those artifacts from your image. Just pick a sample and remove the remainings of your stars. Yeah, and that's it. Here you can see a comparison between my image with stars and after applying Starnet++ version 2 without stars. As I said before, currently I'm doing reprocessing of this M27 image from my Canon EOS M50 camera, and only 40 minutes total integration time. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Clear skies.